This RZ350 is pretty much done. It needs paint. It needs a tiny bit of bodywork. It has a dent, and a little teeny dent. It has sticky front calipers, so I need to take those calipers off and I guess get new seals and rebuild them. It's time for a new project. This will be the next project. 1985 California NC2. I bought this bike in 2008. Got it running. It was all stock at the time. I rode it around for a while. And let's see, that engine is not the original engine. I do have the original engine. That engine came out of a bike I parted out. It was a race bike or track bike. The engine screams. It's a great running engine. It's running premix. But this bike, the plan is to do a resto mod. I will rebuild the engine. This thing's going to need a dent removed from the tank. This gauge cluster looks beautiful, but it really isn't. It's kind of cracked up behind there. Underneath. Should be fun. Before I disassemble it all the way, I'm going to have to straighten out the bird cage a bit. The headlight's not sitting in there very well. I think I've got the headlight centered in the nose fairing as well as I'm going to get it. I really only needed to straighten out this side. Had to bend it out that way while I held the headlight to keep it from bending with this piece of the bird cage. I shoved a bolt in there and then used a deep socket with a breaker bar and pulled on it again while I held the headlight in place. I had to figure out where I had hidden the chin fairing, and I found it. It's actually it's in pretty good shape, except looks like I ran it with these pipes and kind of warbled it out. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that.